morning student, welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again student, lesson 9, inequalities of triangle, exercise 9b. This is video part 12. Okay student, 1 to 8 question number in exercise 9b, question number 1 to 8 completed. Okay, here question number 9. In triangle ABC, in this triangle, in triangle ABC, angle B is 35 degree, angle C is 65 degree, and the bisector of angle BAC and the bisector of angle BAC, that means this angle is 40 degree and this angle is also 40 degree, is given here. BC in X, BC in point of X. Arrange AX, BX and CX in the descending order. That means order is greater than, okay, that means you have to prove here student, AX is greater than BX is greater than CX. That means this is your TP to prove AX is greater than BX is greater than CX. Okay, here student, in triangle ABX, okay, in triangle ABX, angle BAX is greater than angle ABX. Yes or no? Here student, this is absolutely right, because this angle is 40 degree and this angle is 35 degree. So we can write here angle BAX is greater than angle ABX. Okay, in front of angle 40 degree the side is BX, so we can write here BX is greater than, in front of angle 35 degree the side is AX, so here BX is greater than AX. Okay, this is equation first. Okay, in second equation, means in triangle AXC, in triangle AXC, okay student, in triangle AXC, this angle is 65 degree, this angle is 40 degree. By exterior angle concept, this angle is 35 degree, this angle is 40 degree, so we can write here 40 plus 35, 75. Here this angle is 75 degree and the sum of these two angles is 180 degree by the linear pair. This is also proved, because 105 and 75 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here again angle ACX is greater than, angle ACX is greater than angle CAX. Okay, so here student, 65 degree, this angle is 65 degree, so we can write here 65 degree is greater than 40 degree. Okay, so in front of 65 degree the side is AX, so we can write, so in front of angle 65 degree we can write here AX, AX is greater than 40 degree, so the opposite side of 40 degree is XC, that means CX. Okay, this is equation second. So here student, from equation first and second, from equation first and second, what we will write here, look at here student, BX is greater than AX and AX is greater than CX, so the combined together we can write here BX is greater than AX is greater than CX. Okay student, here student something is wrong, here write down BX and here write down AX. This is the right arrangement of this one. Okay student, I hope student you will understand question number 9. The next question is here student, question number 12. Prove that in a triangle other than equilateral triangle, that means equilateral triangle is not taken here. Okay, equilateral triangle, angle opposite to the longer side, the angle opposite to the longer side is the greater than 2 by 3 of right angle. Okay, student. Here suppose take right angle triangle ABC. This angle is 90 degree. Okay. So angle B, that means you have to prove here angle B is greater than 2 by 3 of right angle, that means 90 degree. So angle B is greater than 60 degree. You have to prove here angle B is greater than 60 degree. Okay. So according to this triangle, we can write here AB is, that means this side is greater than AB, that means AC is greater than AB, as well as AC is greater than BC. So we can write here AC is greater than AB and AC is greater than BC. So what it means? It means AC is greater than AB. So we can write here angle B is greater than AB. Angle C. Angle B is greater than angle C. And AC. Again AC. We can write here angle B is greater than BC. Angle A. Okay. Here angle B is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle A. Suppose student, this is equation first, this one is equation second. Equation 1 plus equation 2 means adding these two equations. So angle B plus angle B is greater than angle C plus angle A. Okay student, in this expression which value is not occurs? Angle A. Here is the angle A, angle C, angle B is not present in this case. Okay, that means angle B is added in the both side. Okay, so 2 times of angle B, this one is 2 times of angle B and angle B is added here. So here is angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Okay student, so 2 times of angle B plus angle B is equal to 3 times of angle B is greater than, we know that from ASP property this angle is 180 degree. So angle B is greater than 180 degree divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. So finally angle B is greater than 60 degree. This is your result. Okay student, I hope you will understand question number 12 also. The next question is, here student, last question, question number 14. If O is a point within a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC O is the point, so that first number AB plus AC is greater than OB plus OC. Second one, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than OA plus OB plus OC. And the last one is OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 1 by 2 AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Here student, first proof AB plus AC is greater than OB plus OC. Okay. Take in triangle ABD. Okay. In triangle ABD, we can write here AB plus AD is greater than BD. AB plus AD is greater than BD. Here student, AB plus AD is greater than BD can be written as BO plus OD. BO plus OD. This is equation first. Okay. Take another triangle. In triangle ODC. In triangle ODC, OD plus DC. OD plus DC is greater than OC. This is equation second. Here student, equation 1 plus equation 2, adding these two equations, first equation as well as second equation, what will get here? AB plus AD plus OD plus DC. That means these two and these two. Adding here, sign is same, so greater than here. BO plus OD plus OC. Here student OD and OD. I can see. So AB plus AD plus DC. Make the bracket here is greater than BO plus OC. So here AB plus AD plus DC. Look at here, AD plus DC. AD plus DC can be written as AC. So AB plus AC is greater than BO plus OC. Okay student, this is your first proof. Okay, and here is the three different condition occurs in these expression. Okay student, if suppose joining here OA, so in this triangle ABC, AB plus AC, AB plus AC is greater than OA, OB plus OC, already proved here. If suppose AC plus BC is greater than OA plus OB, second case, and the third case is AB plus BC is greater than AO plus OC. Okay student, I will explain later. Second one, take this expression AB plus AC is greater than BO plus OC. This is equation first. AB plus AC is greater than OA plus OC. Okay, take another, AC plus BC is greater than AC plus BC is greater than OA plus OB. OA plus OB. This is equation second. And the last expression is BC plus AB is greater than, take here BC plus AB. That means you have to take OA and OC is greater than OA plus OC. This is equation third. Here student, adding these three equations, AB 2 times, AC 2 times, BC 2 times. That means 2 is the common between all the term. So here write down AB plus BC plus AC. 2 times of AB plus BC plus AC is greater than, here is again same logic, OB 2 times, OA 2 times, and OC 2 times. Again 2 will be common. OA plus OB plus OC. Here 2 and 2 cut down. Then this expression is your final solution. AB plus BC plus AC is greater than OA plus OB plus OC. This one is, second one is proved. Okay student, look at the second one. AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC is greater than OA plus OB plus OC. And the last one is, and the third one is, in triangle BOC, in triangle BOC, OB plus OC is greater than BC. This is equation first. Again student, in triangle COA, in triangle COA, OC plus OA is greater than AC. This is equation second. In triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, OA plus OB is greater than AB. Equation 3. adding these three equations, that means equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3. What will get here? OA and OA 2 times, OB and OB 2 times, OA and OA 2 times, and OC and OC 2 times. That means 2 is the common. So here write down OA 2 bracket OA plus OB plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus AC. If 2 will divide here, so OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 1 by 2 bracket AB plus BC plus AC. This one is the third proved. Look at here, student. OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 1 by 2. OA plus OB plus OC is greater than 1 by 2. AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, student, I hope you will understand question number 14. So, student, your homework is complete exercise 9B. Complete exercise 9B, question number 9 to 16. Okay, student, and do fair also. Do fair. Okay, student. So your homework is complete exercise 9B, question number 9 to 16, and do fair. If you have any problem, if you have any query, ask the question.